Hello mathematicians, welcome back to Smyan Academy. Today I'm going to teach you how to multiply and divide by 11 really fast. It's a very simple trick. It works for 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, and so on. But in this video, we're going to cover 2-digit and 3-digit numbers because the 4-digit and the higher digit numbers follow the same method. So let's get started. So to multiply a number by 11 in your head. So you just write the first and the last digits and put their sum in the middle. That's important because that's the second step. So you write the first and last digit. That's the first step. Then you put the sum in the middle. And then take a look at the parentheses. If the middle number is 10 or more, just add 1 to the first digit. Basically what that says is just carrying. Okay? So let's look at the first question. 59 times 11. So a thing you really need to know is in number sense and mental math test, they will tell you to use a pen. So if you use a pen and you write the first and last digits, but you have to carry it, you can't erase it and do it like a pencil. So you're going to have to start off by first writing, since it says write first and the last digit, we're only going to write the first digit for now. Okay? Because we have to deal with the last digit. My fault. I'm going to write the last digit right now. Because the first digit we're going to have to deal with later. Because if we have to carry later on the process, just in case, we have to leave it alone. Okay, so now I did that. Now let's just directly jump into the second step. So now we have to find the sum of both the first and the last digit. Well, 5 plus 9 is 14. So what we now have to do is you have to carry the 1. Because the 1 is in the tens. And you need to carry any 10 you get. So we write down the 4 and we carry the 1. But we can't write it down, so we have to remember it. 1. Now we bring in that first digit we had from before, which was the 5. It's the one that we didn't write down because now we have that 1 that we carried. And if we wrote down the 5, we would have got the wrong answer. So now what we have that carried 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So our answer is 649. To make it clear, all we did was we put the 5, the first digit, left a blank, put the last digit, took the sum of both of these, which was 14, carried the 1, and the reason why I did it that way was because you can't erase it like this and do 5 plus 1 and write the 6. But in short, that's how you do it. Alright, let's move on to 3-digit multiplication. It works the same way, however you leave 2 blanks this time. I'll first show it to you in this way before I move on to the more complicated version. So, first step is we write down the first and the last digit. So let me write down 3, put in 2 blanks, write down the last digit. Now what we do is we do 1 plus 2. We go this way first. So 1 plus 2. Put an arrow. So 1 plus 2, that's going to be 3. You're going to write it in your tens column. Next, you're going to do 1 plus 3. It basically looks like a big M. So if you remember that, you could pretty much do it in the same way. So now what you have is 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1, you write it here. So you write that answer in the hundreds place. So now your answer is 3,432. That's it. That's your answer. Now let's look at it my way. Since we didn't have to carry this way, you could have used this method. But just in case, how I would have done it is I first would have wrote the first digit instead of writing the last. I would have wrote the last digit instead of the first digit. Because the first digit, just in case I need to carry a number, I would leave it. And I won't add it yet. So now what I have to do is I do 1 plus 2, following the regular steps. Then I do 1 plus 3, still following the regular. And now write down that first digit I didn't write before. And then now you get 3,432. Okay, so I highly recommend to pause the video and try these practice problems by yourself. Okay, I assume you've done all these problems. Pretty simple concept, but if you didn't understand, make sure to comment below. Okay, So now look where we have 890 times 11. So the same trick. What another trick you could do is instead you could just use your tens trick like before, and you could just add the 0 to 89 times 11. Or you could also do 890 times 11, use the 3-digit trick. It's up to you, but I'm going to do the 89 times 11 because it's so much faster. So let's do 89 times 11, ignoring the 0 completely. Because in our tens trick, we learned that you could just add the 0 directly to the number you get because it's just additional 10. So 89 times 11, write down the first digit. I'm not going to write down the last digit. Don't write the first digit yet. So we have our 9. Okay. Sum of 8 and 9 is 17. 7 carry the 1. And then now we have to have that first digit, but we carried the 1. So we have to do 1 plus 8, which is a 9. And remember that 0 we left out? We're going to bring it right here to give us an answer of 9,790. Done. Now let's move on to the next one. 55 times 11. Write down the last digit. Then now we take the sum of both. 10. Carry that 1. Remember that. And then add that to the first digit, which was 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Giving us the answer 605. Moving on. Oh, we have a decimal in this. Doesn't matter. We have to consider this as 39 times 11 and add the decimal later. I'll get into decimal multiplication later on, but just remember, decimals are literally just regular multiplication, but you add a decimal point. So let's take a look into this. 3.9 times 11. So ignore the decimal for now. Okay, so 39 times 11. So write down the last digit. And now you have to do the sum of each, which is 12. So write down the 2, carry the 1. Remember that we had the first digit, so we had 3 plus 1, which we get 4. And then the decimal point, how decimals work is you just go, since we had only one decimal point, which was over there, we just shift it once, and that will give us 42.9. Done. That's how decimals work. So at least you learned that. So next one, 84 times 11, same trick. Write down the last digit, then take the sum of both. 8 plus 4, so 12. Carry the 1. Add that to the first digit, that 1, so you get 9. So now your answer is 924. Okay, thank you. So let's check if we did them all right. Yep, we did. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions or want some other types of content. It's really, really helpful if you guys like give me any questions or any type of content so I could narrow it down and make videos specifically for things you guys are struggling in. Okay, so once again, make sure to keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.